I've been working on tackling climate change for over 15 years. And I think now is a moment in time where governments, companies, and society needs to come together to enable this transition to happen. So we run big programs like Optimise Prime, where we're looking at not just how do we decarbonise the environment through mobility, but also how do we help the UK government, for instance, deal with the infrastructure transition as more and more EVs connect to the grid. We've worked on programs like the Isles of Scilly, where we looked at reducing the price of energy using renewable energy, but whilst decarbonising on the island as well. What Hitachi is looking to do is to provide a holistic solution from the acquisition and leasing of the vehicle and the operations and maintenance of the vehicles, all the way to the reuse, resale of batteries coming out of the vehicles, with a very simplistic commercial model that makes it easy for the customer to be able to engage and transition.